Hey everyone, hope you're good. I'm so excited to share with you an upgrade on Asteria, introducing the Ad Studio. Now, uh, let's not speak too much. I'm just going to go ahead and create an ad on Facebook. So you can create an ad on multiple platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google, TikTok, and so on. For this demo, I would do a simple Facebook ad. Let's say I want to talk about this topic, or maybe I don't have an idea myself, so I can ask Asteria to give me an idea. If I clicked on that button, I get suggestions. Okay, I can browse this and pick the one I want and go with it. Okay, right, let's use this one. Yeah, let's do this. So AI versus human showdown. Good, I like it. So what is the objective? To get engagement. Tell you what, I am going to change it to lead. Yeah, I'm going to change it to lead. Um, and then I would change this from I'll put to get a lead from my website, so like directly to Asteria Engine, and I'll select my CTA. If you notice, Asteria already knows what your CTA URLs are or your destination URLs. Yeah, so I'll do sign up and I'll do this one, and it's gonna be a video. So you know Asteria suggests I use testimonial. But what I really want to do is some sort of showdown. So I need something not longer than 30 seconds. So um, I also need it quick for this particular video I'm doing here. So what I'll do is I would pick, uh, actually, I'll pick the UGC testimonial one. And there is nothing that matches here to select. If you notice, nothing matches. So I would just leave it as it is. Yeah, or if I want to have maybe something on the poster on the video wall, I can use one of these images here, and I would do that generation. So as soon as this is done, we'll be back. Okay, we're back. So the ad has been created and the video has also been created. We've got 16 seconds. It's actually 15 seconds, 1 second for the cover image, and then the actual video is 15 seconds, something like that.
Last week, our team spent half a day on content.
So I like that. I'm just gonna leave it. So here is the copy, headline, descriptions, and so on, and the route we are really going. But if you scroll all the way before you click continue to publish, you've got like other variations. Yeah. So stop losing hours to content planning, your social media under control, or like plan a week of post in minutes. This one seems mainstream right now. You see, these people are kind of resonating with things like this, so I'm gonna use it. Click continue, and then I'm just gonna have a look, pick the right ad account. So here are my accounts, so I'm gonna pick the right ad account. Now if you have just one ad account, obviously you're not gonna need to do this, but I've got multiple because I do multiple stuff. So pick the right one, set the right budget, start and end date if you like. You would select 7 days automatically. I want to run this on both United Kingdom and the United States. Um, I probably want people from 22 years old and above. So I would use obviously Advantage Plus audience here. Yeah, everything else seems so good. Okay, everything else seems so good. The targeting, if you notice, I'm not specifying these things myself because Asteria already knows who my audience is. And then I'll go to the AI signal. So look at the interest here and behavior. So small business owners. and then demographic, business decision makers. So because the ad is targeted, like schedule a week's post in minutes, is targeted towards small business owners. That's why the behavior here is actually small business owners. And here is the estimate audience and approximate amount of people I'm actually going to reach. So that's good. Everything looks okay. I've got my thumbnail, I've got my video, everything checks out. So I'm going to go ahead and then publish this ad. So that is how easy and straightforward doing an ad on Asteria Engine truly is. If you're curious about this, you can request early access. You can sign up to Asteria. You can try it out for free for 30 days. We are more than happy to have you on board.